I mean, I've never seen her playing like this before. It's like, because he's a boy or something.
Maybe he remembers
Hey, Raina,
him.
Raina, nice, Raina.
Maybe she remembers him from the store.
She says he smells like my toothpaste. What? Oh.
I know, is this exciting?
You're so silly. It's so weird. They play leapfrog. It's so weird. He's only 5 months and she's like 6 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, Lila feels left out.
It's okay.
No.
It's alright, Lila. You don't quite know how to play with this little... Well, I think this was a good introduction, don't you?
Yeah.
Lila's ignoring him and Raina's playing. Good girl, Lila.
You're still a cutie,
Yes,
Lila.
you are. And she says, are you guys going to still love me? You're getting all these dogs.
A little.
She says, I'm so